Yes, as Samiksha informed that it is going to be President Murmu's first address post the formation of the 18th Lok Sabha. So yes, today the actions that is expected from the Parliament is that President Draupadi Murmu will address the joint session of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, in which she will highlight the priorities of the newly elected Narendra Modi government. During her address, she will also give a comprehensive overview of the work done by Narendra Modi government over the past decade. Meanwhile, also highlighting the achievements of the Modi government over the past years in different sectors like education, health, and many more other things. The other information that we have on ground is that President Murmu will be arriving at the Parliament in a procession from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. She will be, received at the Parliament by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other presiding officers of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And from there, she will be entering the Parliament through the Gaja Dwar of the Parliament. Meanwhile, post her address, we also got this information that a motion of thanks will be moved by the government, which will be later on debated. We also got to know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to address the Parliament on July 2nd and 3rd, yes, and is also likely to respond to the debate. Back to you.
Yes, Soumya, thank you for the moment. We will be, of course, watching out for our President's address at 11 a.m. today. Let's move on to the other stories that we are tracking. Well, the elections are over and Rahul's racist uncle Sam Pitroda is back in the Congress. He's been reinstated as overseas Congress chairman, and a decision that is being seen as an insult to the whole country, given that he's known to have made several controversial statements in the past.
Could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.
Congress has scored a self-goal once again. Racist Sam is back in the grand old party. The Lok Sabha polls are done and Rahul Gandhi goes against the sentiments of Bharat. In a direct insult to the Indians, Congress has reinstated Sam Pitroda as the Indian Overseas Congress chairman. This is the same man who had called South Indians Africans. This is the same man who said people in the East look like Chinese. The BJP has slammed Congress's move to reappoint racist Sam Pitroda. BJP has fired Hua to Hua jibe and called out Congress's open support for a racist.
आज ऐसे सैम पित्रोदा को, जिनको चुनाव के समय पर तो कांग्रेस ने निकाल दिया था, आज उनको वापस भी ले लिया और उनको उनका पुराना पद भी दे दिया। मतलब कि भारत के विषय में, भारत को बांटने के लिए जो बात करते हैं और जो राम विरोधी टिप्पणी करते हैं, उन्होंने कहा था कि राम और रामनवमी ये आइडिया ऑफ इंडिया के खिलाफ है।
The entire nation is outraged. 1.4 billion Indians demand an explanation over this controversial reappointment.